Let's make aloe gel. Making aloe gel is easy and it's great to have on hand for healing cuts and burns. To make gel from aloe, you will need fresh aloe leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid, a sharp knife, a cutting board, a small cup that the aloe leaves will fit in, a vegetable peeler, a blender or a stick blender and a jar to blend it in, a spoon, a bottle for storing and a funnel for easy pouring, as well as a label for your jar. You'll want to begin with aloe leaves that are plump and bulging out instead of inward on the top part of the leaf. It's best to select leaves from the bottom of the plant to prevent the plant from becoming stressed. Trim the bottom portion of the leaf off and place the leaves cut side down in the jar to drain off for about 10 minutes. If you will not be ingesting the gel, you can skip this step. Next, place the leaf on the cutting board and carefully cut down the sides to remove the teeth. Once you have cut the sides off, you'll want to cut the flat side of the leaf off using a vegetable peeler. Use the spoon to scoop out the inner gel and place the gel into the blender. If you are using a stick blender, place the gel into a container for blending. After you've removed all the gel from your leaves, set aside your outer portions and compost those later, and add your citric acid to the gel. Blend the gel until all the pieces are broken up. This should go pretty quickly. Using a funnel, pour your gel into your bottle. Place a label on your gel and store your gel in the refrigerator. Your gel will last for several weeks in the refrigerator.